Good day, dear learners. Today I will be showing to you an example of problems involving sets. So consider the following Venn diagram here and some of the questions as in the given Venn diagram, which is already drawn for you. You just fill up the empty sets to correspond to your answer in the given universal set and the given sets A, B, and C. Consider the given here class. 100 students were enrolled in Spatial Performing Arts class. 27 are inclined in singing, 42 are inclined in dancing, 35 are inclined in painting, 15 are both inclined in singing and painting, 18 are both inclined in dancing and singing, 20 are both inclined in painting and dancing, 10 are all inclined in the three performing arts. So before answering this given question, class, we need to fill the given Venn diagram. So using this given here, okay? The first thing we have to do here, class, is to write the number of elements of all students that are inclined in the three performing arts. So as you can see here, we have 10. So we're going to place 10 here. So as you can see, this is simply the intersection of the three sets here, A, B, and C. Okay, the next one, okay, 15 are both inclined in singing and painting. So we need to determine first, okay, what is set A? So I will mark it as S. What is set B? So I will mark this as D for dancing. What is set C? I will mark it as P, which is painting. Okay, so consider now the intersection of singing and painting. As you can see here, class, 15 are both inclined in singing and painting. So as you can see, this whole section here is the intersection of singing and painting. So we need to fill up 5 only here since we have already 10 here. 10 plus 5 is 15. Now the next thing you have to fill up is dancing and singing. 18 are both inclined in dancing and singing. So we have here 10, 18 less 10, so this is simply 8, right? Then the next thing you have to fill up is painting and dancing. So we have here 20 are both inclined in painting and dancing. So as you can see here, we have 10 here, so this must be 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Then after that, you can fill up the missing number of students who are inclined in singing. So take note, 27 are inclined in singing. So you just add all of this part only for singing. So 8 plus 10 is 18, plus 5 is 23. Right? Take note, 18. So plus 5 is 23. So there are 27 who are inclined in singing. So this must be 4. Right? Then the next thing you have to fill up here, the whole students who are inclined in dancing. So as you can see, it is given that there are 42 students who are inclined in dancing. So again, we add the whole section here, 10 plus 10 plus 8 is 28. So you just less 42. So simply we have 48 less 22. So we have 14. Okay. Then the next thing we have to fill it up are students who are inclined in painting. So as you can see here, there are 35 students who are inclined in painting. So 10 plus 10 plus 5 is 25. 35 less 25. Okay, so this must be 10. Then after that, we can now answer the given questions here, since we already fill up the missing elements in the Venn diagram. How many students are into singing only? As you can see, class, the whole section of this are singing. But these students here under singing have the same talent in dancing and painting, 8, 10, and 5. So the only answer for this one, for letter A, is simply 4. So there are only 4 students who are inclined in singing only. How many are into dancing only? So as you can see here, there are 14. So 14 students are inclined in dancing only. How many are into painting only? So as you can see, there are only 10 students who are into painting only. Okay, 10, 10, 5 are not included. Take note, because they also have talents in singing and dancing. Okay, next one, letter D. How many students are both inclined in both singing and dancing? Okay, both singing and dancing, but not painting. So singing and dancing but not painting. The whole section of this class is into painting. So there are only 8 students who are both inclined in singing and dancing but not painting. So this must be 8. Next one. How many students are both inclined in both painting and dancing but not singing? So painting and dancing but not singing. So as you can see, the whole part of this section here are into singing. Okay, so there are only 10 students who are both inclined in painting and dancing but not singing. So letter E is simply equal to 10. There are 10 students. Okay, next one, letter F. How many students are both inclined in both singing and painting but not dancing? So both singing and painting but not dancing. The whole part of this dancing, okay, and the whole part of this is painting. So the only number of students who are inclined in singing and painting but not dancing are 5 students. So letter F is simply equal to 5. Okay. How many students are both inclined into either singing or dancing? Take note, when we talk about inclined into either singing or dancing, we simply mean the union of singing and dancing. Okay? So let's have the union. So let's just add the number of students here in the singing and dancing. So 4 plus 5, 9 plus 10, okay, 19 plus 8, 27 plus 10, 37 plus 14. Okay, there are 51. So there are 51 plus. Okay. So let's check it again. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 10, 19 plus 8 is 27 plus 10 is 37. Okay, then plus 14 is 51. Alright, let's have letter H. How many students are both inclined into either dancing or painting? So as you can see here, dancing or painting. So we have the whole section of this P and D, set B and set C. Right? So from here we just add. Okay, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 plus 5 is 35, plus 8 is 43. Okay, then 53, 57. So there are 57 students who are both inclined in either painting and dancing. So there are 57. Okay. Now let's have letter I. How many students are both inclined into either singing or painting? So as you can see, we have here the section for singing and painting. Okay, do not include 14 here, so you just add. Okay, so again 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30, plus 5 35. Okay, plus 8 is 43. Okay, plus 4 47. Then the last one, how many students are not into any of the three performing arts? Okay, how many students are given here, class? There are actually 100, right? So 100. We're going to list all the elements here for the three performing arts here. So again, let's add sa singing and painting. There are 47. Okay, plus 14. 47, 57 plus 4, 61. So you just less 61. So we have how many students? 39 students. Right? 39 students. Okay, class, I hope you have learned something in today's lesson. Next meeting, I will be discussing more about grade 7 lessons. Keep safe, everyone, and may God bless us all.